Okay, so basically for fixing the stuck throttle, you need to use a 3mm Allen key, loose the handlebar so it can move a little bit back. And then you remove the rubber cover on the controller, and there's a hole here where you can put the Allen key. So once you do that, you can actually loosen it up. Once it is loose, it will start to move. Now just see if there's any broken cables here or anything like that. If nothing is broken, you can still put it back. All you have to do is keep like a few millimeters gap here and a few millimeters gap within the grip. So once it is here, just tighten it. Now once it is tight, it will start to move easily. Now you can put the cover back as well. Once it is back, bring the handlebar close, but still keep a few millimeters gap, and now you can tighten this grip here. Once it is tight, the throttle will keep on moving freely. Just make sure there's few millimeters gap on the either sides so it will move freely.